A, 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 A. Let's sing and learn the letter A. A is for alligator, 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 alligator. A is for arrow, 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 arrow. A is for ambulance, 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 ambulance. A is for apple, 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 apple. Big A, small O, we love to say A, hip, hip, hooray.
Hello friends, my name is letter A. I am big A. Where is small a? Here it is. Hi friends, I am letter A and I'm small a. Where is letter A? Let's find letter A. Is this letter A? No, this is not letter A. Where is letter A? Let's find it. Is this letter A? Great job! This is letter A. Tell me which one is letter A? Great! This is letter A. Hello, friends. Hi. Hello, my name is Puffy. Today we are doing lots of fun. Do you want to play with me? Yay! So good! I have something special for you. Ta-da! Do you see that? This is for you. This is a magical box. Do you want to play with me? Yay! Look what inside in this box. Wow, there is a letter A on the box. Say magic word with me. Say and the box will open. Good job. Say with me. Great. Say with me. And the box will open. Yay! Look what inside in this box. Do you know what inside is? There is lots of surprises. Yay! Look what inside in the box. Wow! There is so much fun. Okay. What's this? Ta-da! This is apple. This is apple. Apple. This is apple. Okay, let's see what's more gift inside in this box. Wow, do you want to see them? Alligator. Wow, this is alligator. Alligator is green and big. This is alligator. A, a, alligator. A, a, alligator. Great job. You want to see more gifts? Okay, let's check it out. There is more gifts inside the box. Wow, this is an ambulance. A ambulance. This is ambulance. Whoa, very good. Wow, there is lots of fun. There is more gifts inside it. Wow, this is an arrow. Arrow. Whoosh. A arrow. A arrow. Okay, we have a little friend inside the box. We have a big A on the box. Look, letter A. It's big A, and inside is small a. A, it's our friend. A. 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 Do you notice something? The apple start from A. Alligator start from A. Ambulance start from A. And the arrow start from A. All the sounds are A. Do you notice? This is a sound of letter A. Yay! Great job! Today we are learn the sound of letter A. Okay, friends, I'm so happy to meet with you. Bye-bye. See you soon.